సభలో రచ్చ కంటిన్యూ అయింది. భోజన విరామం తర్వాత మోడీ సభకు రాకపోవడంపై విపక్షాలు అభ్యంతరం వ్యక్తం చేశాయి. అయితే మోడీ సభకు వస్తారని చర్చను కొనసాగించాలని కోరారు జైట్లీ. అయినా విపక్ష సభ్యులు ఆందోళనకు దిగారు. దీంతో సభ 3 గంటలకు వాయిదా పడింది.
First listen to me. After I speak, no, let me have my say. I will allow you. But listen to me. No. Hello. Suniye. Now listen. Now please. No, what?
Charging the Prime Minister for not wanting to participate in the debate.
Listen.
So why can't
what the leader of the House said is, see, Honorable Yechuri ji, listen. Yechuri ji, listen. Mr. Yechuri, listen. What the leader of the, now please, what the leader of the House said is that, what the leader of the House said is that, no, listen, please. No, what the leader of the House said is that PM will come and participate in the discussion. What more you want? That is okay. He said PM will participate.
What did the opposition did? In 2G, they made it point that the House will not run unless the Prime Minister sits through. And Prime Minister sat throughout the 2 days. Yes. So you cannot not have double standard when you are in government.
Do you want to start the debate or you don't want to start the debate? The answer has to be
వాయిదా అనంతరం రాజ్యసభ తిరిగి ప్రారంభమైంది. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Honorable members, I have a request. Now that the Honorable Leader of the House has announced in the House that PM will come and participate in the discussion and intervene. In the light of that, why not we start this in the discussion?
में आए थे, 1 घंटा क्वेश्चन आवर के बाद चले गए. पार्टिसिपेशन तब होता जब वो यहाँ मौजूद होते. वो यहाँ पर मौजूद नहीं है, यहाँ से चले गए और उनको यहाँ पर रहना चाहिए, तब पार्टिसिपेशन होगा. ऐसे पार्टिसिपेशन थोड़ा ना होगा. He has to be here.
No. All what I said is that, see, the leader of the House himself said PM is coming. What is the more assurance you want more than that?
आज विपक्ष के करीब सभी नेता सवेरे इकट्ठा हुए थे और सब नेताओं की बैठक में ये निर्णय लिया गया था कि यदि पूरे डिस्कशन में प्रधानमंत्री जी रहे और जेपीसी की मांग उन्होंने स्वीकार कर ली तो सदन चलने देंगे, नहीं तो सदन नहीं चलेगा. ये तय हुआ था. और श्रीमान, ऐसा नहीं इसमें कोई सभी लोग थे, कोई ऐसा नेता अपोजिशन करना. तो सवाल ये है कि जब एक चीज तय हो गई और हाउस में यही एश्योर किया गया तो सदन शुरू हुआ, तो फिर इसमें से बाधा खिलाफ
Let us start the discussion.
इस सारा अपोजिशन ने तय किया था. तो अब तो दोबारा बैठक करें.
What I am saying is that since the leader of the House was assured that PM will be coming, let us start the discussion. He will be coming. He has said, and yeah, Mr. Naqvi.
सर, जैसा कि आपने कहा कि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जिस समय चर्चा रिज्यूम हुई, जिस समय चर्चा फिर से दोबारा शुरू हुई, यहाँ पूरे समय बैठे हुए थे. उसके बाद अभी लगभग जो है मेरी समझ से 25 लोग, अबाउट 25 या 24 जो है वो ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स जो है इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने वाले हैं. कोई अभी चर्चा खत्म नहीं हो गई, इसलिए हमें लगता है कि उसके लिए चर्चा शुरू करें. चर्चा में जो ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स बोलना चाहते हैं वो बोले. ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर यहाँ पर लीडर ऑफ द हाउस यहाँ पर हैं. उसके बाद लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ने स्पष्ट रूप से कहा है कि ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर इस चर्चा में इंटरवीन करेंगे, पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे। इसके बाद जो है
और क्या
कोई issue
चाहिए?
रहता नहीं। हमें लगता है कि इसके लिए कोई बहाना बनाया जाए तो
What do you want more than that?
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है।
What do you want, Mr. Anand Sharma ji, what do you want more than that?
Sir,
Tell me.
can I respond to him, sir?
Yes?
Can I respond to him, sir?
Yeah.
With your permission, sir. Sir, sir, in this very house, on 30th of August 2013, there was a discussion. A matter was raised by the then leader of opposition, now the leader of the house.
So what?
Sir, please allow me, sir. Let me. Sir, I'm just referring to what was discussed in this house. The then Prime Minister, there was a demand from the opposition that the then Prime Minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, must come to the house. Dr. Manmohan Singh came to the house because that's what they said. We would like the Prime Minister to come to the house and discuss this very important issue. And then only we can proceed further. Otherwise, we will be failing in our responsibility. Sir, these are the words of Shri Venkaiah Naidu.
So
Please
now
allow me.
PM has come.
Sir, please allow me. I have not completed. Sir, then the Prime Minister came, the then Prime Minister. After the then Prime Minister came, sat in the house and listened, and he left, like today it has happened. Please, please, don't interrupt.
So, you want to do the same thing?
Sir, after that, the then Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs pointed it out that the Prime Minister was sitting here for 1 hour, and it was pointed out to the then opposition that Prime Minister will come back again. There was a response, first from Shri Venkaiah Naidu.
No, the point is,
He said, so what?
Are you,
He said, so what?
did you justify it at that point of time? No. Did
I'm
you,
saying, there cannot be dual standards and double standards.
but did you justify it at that point of time?
They insisted that the Prime Minister should be here throughout. आप हाउस में नहीं थे, आप चुप करके
So you-
बैठ जाओ। तुमको
you are emulating that?
लगती है, बैठ जाओ।
That means you are emulating them? Are you emulating them?
This is a precedent they said.
What is this?
This is a precedent they said.
Say,
Now they should respect what
but
they demanded.
then did you agree
Cannot
with that?
have. There was one
At
set
that
of
point of
rules
time, you
for my
criticize
Prime
that.
Minister, and there's a different standard and yardstick for their Prime Minister. It has
No,
to be
no,
the
no.
same.
It's okay, it's all politics, sir. Dilip,
Politician.
I want
No,
to
he
start.
should come here, sir.
Dilip Kumar Turki is
हमको
there?
बुलाइए आप।
No.
आप उनको
मजीद
आप उनको जाके बताओ कि इस सदन में मैंने ये कहा था, कृपा करके
AU Singhdev there?
आपका भी है इसमें। अरे आप नहीं थे इस हाउस में, बैठ जाओ, सेहत खराब हो जाएगी।
AU Singhdev. No. Anand Sharma ji, I called the name. Singhdev. No. No, let us. Singhdev. Yes. बैठे ठीक है उस समय आनंद शर्मा जी because the then opposition said something, do you want to emulate that? No, you tell me 1 second.
Respect that
No,
opposition.
see, do you want to emulate the then opposition? That is not no. Yes. We should debate and discuss. House is adjourned till 11 a.m. on Friday, 25th November.